Meanwhile, inverters create a future of energy-saving storage and convenience. The off-grid inverters, NTS and NTU series, support indoor backup and outdoor applications. Optimized design with 5 key features. A variety of sockets, one-stop shopping. Flexible settings with 4 voltage levels and eco mode. Compared to the old generation, the new NTS series saves up to 15 times more power. The NTU series UPS backup function ensures your safety during power outages. 37% smaller than previous models for easier installation and more convenient use. Full power output, safety, and durability come with comprehensive protection. Choose Meanwell S reliable and efficient products for a greener future. Feel free to contact our global distributors. The new generation inverters, NTS and NTU series, are safe, reliable, and suitable for any environment. Their functionality is equivalent to a mobile power station. Feel free to refer to and share.